Hi, boys and girls. Hope everybody is doing well. Miss Vitale just wanted to go through your work for the week. First activity this week is called Map It Out. I have added a video describing the worksheet. You need to listen to this video first before you begin the worksheet so you understand how you have to complete the worksheet. Once you have listened to the video, if you don't really understand what really needs to be done, at that point you can send me a message in our blogging group and I can answer it for you. The next activity is to begin reading your Geronimo book. If you want to reread your Geronimo book that you've chosen for your oral, you may do so now. What's really important right now is once you gain access to your work, you need to sign up for our Zoom English parties, if you want to call them. I have divided them up by class and by times. I've given you slots of 15 minutes on Monday, on Tuesday, and on Wednesday. On Monday, it's for 201, the green class. On Tuesday, it's for 202, the blue class. And on Wednesday, it's for 203, the orange class. Let's start with 201. There's a slot, if you look here, 115 to 130. Next one, 135 to 150, and so on. If you look again, next, 155 to 210, 215 to 230, and 235 to 250. Each slot fits 5 students. The last one has 6 because we're 26 students. In the green sections, you just write your name so that I know that you're signing up. Once you have chosen the time, in this box right here, has your Zoom access code. So you can put in this link, you can put it in this ID number. They have started asking us to put passwords in on our Zoom conferences, so the passwords are just right underneath. Miss Vitale is not adding all of these details on our Facebook pages and whatnot. Everything is here in the Google Doc. So group 115, once it's all filled up with 5 students, you guys have to log into this code here. The 135, it's this code here. The 155, this code here. The 215s, this code here. And the 235s, if we go down a little bit lower, it's right here, okay? Same goes for group 202, except our times to Zoom will be on Tuesday, April 7th. And then for 203, it's going to be on Wednesday, April 8th. The point of this Zoom party is so that you guys can share with me what your books are all about. I want you to show your book, talk a little bit about it, and it's better if we do it in smaller groups. Okay? So that's for our Geronimo activity of the week. I want you to review week 1, 2, 3. Miss Vitale is currently working on just going through all of your week 3 things, activities basically, and leaving you comments. If I don't leave a comment in the comment box, then everything is A-okay. If I do leave something in the comment box, just make sure that you do complete what I've asked so that I know that you remain up to date. Finally, boys and girls, I'd like you to really take a look at the enrichment activities. If you haven't done so, okay, they are called extra activities. Now's the time that you guys get to do so because, you know, I can't keep adding so many activities until you've really understood everything that we've done so far. So I added this week our controlled activities. Do what you think you need to do. Okay, boys and girls. In some of these worksheets, there's games that you can play with mom and dad if you wanted to print stuff out. You know, it's really up to you. Miss Vitale just included her teacher books that she has access to and has given you just all of those activities so that, you know what, if you just want to do the worksheets that you can do by yourself, I'm all for it. But if you want to play some games or do some activities with mom and dad, brothers or sisters, whatever it is, you guys can do so, okay? I'm not expecting you to complete all of the worksheets. There's a lot. There's like 40 pages in each one. If you want to do them, all for it. But you don't have to. Just take a look at them, okay? Remember, if you have read your Geronimo book, and you don't want to reread it, and you do not have another Geronimo book, just continue reading Raz Kids. It's there for you, okay? So that's the work for this week. Remember, boys and girls, Miss Vitale is going to actually give access right now. Today is Sunday. And I'm going to inform your parents that the homework is open and that this link is very important to sign up to so that 201 you guys are ready for tomorrow. Okay? So I hope that you guys have a good rest of a Sunday. I know it's raining today, but at least, we're home with the family. Snuggle up underneath a blanket and watch a good movie. Okay? So I miss you, and we'll see you this week at our Zoom parties. All right. Bye.